What is up, everybody? It's Jake here, and I think Becky's here somewhere. Where is she? Oh, she's right there. She's right there. We at this furnace. We'll go take a peek at it. Let me flip her around. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Oh, we got a whole picture here. Okay. There's some more building remains over there. Right there. Pretty neat. Yeah. Gotta get a close-up view of this thing. A little bit more information here. Basic ingredients: iron ore, charcoal. This is in remarkably good shape. They've added some concrete, it looks like, to it near the top to keep it from crumbling. And I don't believe this is exactly how it used to look. It might have been. I got a nice little pathway. Pine Grove Furnace. There we go. Oh, it's got little cubbies over there. Becky went in there somewhere. Let me go around to the other side. I guess there was a building structure over on this side. It's not looking too well. Oh, the entrance ways are right there. I'm gonna follow this path around to the other side. Oh yeah, there must have been stuff all along here. Look at that.
Go behind it.
It's got a little door down here. You can't really see it. We're going in the cubbies. Oh man, I can barely fit in here. Should I try? Should I try go over here?
Go for
I'm gonna try. It is really tight fitting. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to go any farther. I can reach my arm out there with the camera. This is definitely some newer brickwork, like right here. You can see where the concrete is on the metal right there. So they have done a good job preserving this. Oh, I'm trapped in this cubby. Because literally my body barely fits through this little spot right here. It's like, see what I mean? It's like the size of my hand. A lot of people wrote their names on that.
Oh, and the bird's over here too.
We got, oh, we probably don't want to go this way, Guga. I don't have the proper attire on to walk in snow today. I got running shoes. I'll step in this little spot right here.
I can't even go there.
Get a look at the back of this. And I guess we'll check out that little area over there, and then I think we're gonna move on from here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I guess like no one running away.
I can't even go out there.
I should go get trapped. Look, it barely fits through there. There's a little door right here. Oh, and it moves. I guess that's original. Alright, I'm gonna walk over here, get a little more footage of this right here. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Yeah, I got a sign right here. I need to redo these signs a little bit, but you can't get an idea of how these furnaces work. We got information here. So you would have had a building around this. You have more structure over here, so that would explain why it's got all this other stuff around it. But yeah, Pine Grove Furnace right here. Alright guys, we got more places to go, more things to see. We out of this area from Pine Grove Furnace. Remember guys, like, share, subscribe. Smash the like button. Do it now. Peace. There's the Iron Master's Mansion. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. It's one of the other old buildings for the iron furnace. And then you got the general store. And the mansion. Pine Grove Furnace General Store. Oh, they closed. They closed today. They do offer free Wi-Fi, it says on the door. That's good to know, because you ain't gonna get service out here. That's for sure. And they got this old barn here, which is the Appalachian Trail Museum of Pine Grove Furnace, Pennsylvania. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.